Now students, here one more question is given on ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger. So here some questions are given. So A and B questions. So we have to write the questions into ascending order, increasing order. 5, 25, 15, 35, 21. In this first we have to write smallest one. So which one is the smallest one? 5. Increasing order 5. So bigger than this is 15, bigger than this is 21, bigger than this is 25, bigger than this is 35. In this way we have to write in ascending order, increasing order. Increasing means from smaller to bigger, from smaller to bigger. In the same way 25, 36, 18, 47 and 28. So these numbers also we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Smaller. Smaller is 18. More than this is 28. More than this 28 is 36. 36. No. Wait. Here 18. 18 after 18 is 25. More than this 28. Bigger than this 28 is 25 is 28. Bigger than this 28 is 36. Bigger than 36 is 47. In this way we have to arrange the numbers into ascending order. Ascending order. So more one question is there on this base of ascending order that you have to do as your home assignment. Home assignment. Next question. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing. So what the numbers are given here? 12, 3, 15, 17, 32. Descending order. First we have to take a bigger number. Decreasing means first we have to take bigger number. 32. Smaller than this is 17. Smaller than 17 is 15. Smaller than 15 is 12. Smaller than 12 is 3. This is in descending order. Descending order. So in this way, other more two questions were there in this descending order, same. So that you have to do as your home assignment. Home assignment. Now, the next, largest and smallest groups. Here some pictures are given. So here I took here circles, triangles and squares. But your textbook more other pictures are given. Penguins are given. Penguins and other pictures are given. So here we took circles, triangles and squares. In these circles, triangles and square, so we have to color the largest group. Whatever the largest group is there, so for that group we have to color. It means first we have to count each and every group. In first group, how many articles are there, how many pictures are there. In the second group, how many pictures are there. In the third group, how many pictures are there. So we have to count first. In the first group, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 circles are there. Here how many triangles were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles were there. And how many squares were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 11. So in your textbook, more other pictures are given. One is globe is given, other is penguin is given. So one more teddy bear is given. So like that pictures are given. So you color that pictures. Here, so we are going to color square. So why? Because more than 2, 6, 5. In this all, so squares are more than all the groups. Squares are more than all the groups. So we have to color squares. Like this we have to color all squares. All squares. Okay. Like this we have to make our colors. All colors. 11 squares are there. For that 11 squares we have to color all 11 squares. All 11 squares. Okay. So like this we have to color. We have to color all square pictures. Okay. This is our next question, that is largest group. We first find largest group, count and write, count and write and count and write, and after that you have to compare. You have to compare which one is the largest group. So in the for that largest group you color it. Okay. Next, encircle the smallest group. Smallest group we have to encircle, make circle. In the first, balloons were given, locks were given, and books were given. So first we have to write number of pictures. 1, 2, 3, 3 here. How many locks were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 locks. And how many books, textbooks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 textbooks. 8 textbooks. In this, we have to encircle the smallest group. Which one is the smallest number in this? 3 is the smallest number. So we have to encircle, make circle for smallest group. In this way, we have to circle the smallest group. Yes, now, brain booster. So again, whatever we did in our workbook previous sums, again we recapitulate those sums. So these sums we did previously. So write the missing numbers. Missing numbers we have to write. So we did at the very beginning. So 18, after 18, 19 will come. Then 20, 21, 22. 23 is there. 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. These are the numbers. So missing numbers we have to fill like this. Okay. Count back. Back counting we did previous. So again back counting is there. Some numbers are given. So we have to fill in that blanks. 44, 45, 44, 43, then 42, then 41, then 40. After that 39, 38, 37, 36. In this way we have to count it back. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 40, 43, 44, 45. Okay. So like this we have to write back counting numbers. Here write what comes before and after. 19 before is 18. 19 after is 20. 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. So after 39 before is 38. And 39 after is 40. So then 38, 39, 40. So in this way we have to write before number, then after number. Before means what comes before, what comes after also we have to write. After and before numbers. Next, the number before 13, this we know. 13 before what will come? 12. 12, 13. 13 before is 12. Then in all these blanks you should know before numbers and after numbers. Before numbers and after numbers. 36 is in between also. Before, after and between. 36 is in between 35 and 37. 35, 36, 37. 36 in between 35 and 37. 35 and 37 we will get 36. Next. The number after 29. After 29, 30 will come. After 29, 30 will come. Then after 16 comes, dash comes after 16. After 16, 17 will come. 17 comes after 16. After 16, 17 will come. 29 comes before 20, 30. 30 before is 29. So 29 comes before 30. Before 30, 29 comes. Then dash comes between 30 and 31. 30, 31, 32. 31 is between number. Then the number name of 35, that is 35. The number name THIRTY 35. FYVE 35. 35 in words. 35 we have to write. Then 39 written as 39. 39 in figures. In this way we have to fill the blanks. Okay. First one is missing and back counting, then after and before numbers. Yes, now students, here greater than, less than and equal to symbols. So we have to keep greater than, less than and equal to. Already we did. So recapitulate in Brain Booster. Again we are going to recapitulate our sums what we did previous in working. Okay. Now write greater than, less than or equal to. Here three questions are given, 18 and 23. In between 18 and 23, 18 is lesser than 23. Means we have to use less than. This is symbol for less than. less than 23. So remember, this is a symbol for less than, and here 31 and 30. 31 is greater than. So this is a symbol for greater than symbol. This is a greater than symbol. And here 19 and 19. 19 and 19 both are equal. Both are equal. Then after that, some questions are given. Some questions are given. So what questions are given here? See. So I am going to show you. So some questions. Some numerals are given. So the numerals are 8, 18, 14, 23 and 37. So here also some numerals are given. 6, 31, 34, 4, 41 and 24. These are the numerals given. So in these numerals we have to arrange ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order we have to arrange. So ascending order increasing. Increasing means first we have to take smaller. 8 and bigger than this is 14 and bigger than this is 18 and bigger than this is 23 and bigger than this is 37. These are ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order. We have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. That is ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. All these are ascending order. Now one more question is there, that is for your homework. Okay. Now this descending order, decreasing order. Decreasing order means first we have to take a bigger one. What is the bigger one? 34 is the bigger one. Descending order decrease. 34, after that 41 is given. One more. First you take 41, then after that 34, then after that 24, then after that 6 and after that 4. So in this way we have to arrange descending order, decreasing order. Okay, this is ascending order, this is descending order, this is comparing quantities. Now in this question, encircle the largest number and cross out the smallest number. Largest number we make circle and smallest number we make cross. Now here in this question, so what is the greater? This is the largest number, circle it. And what is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number, then cross out it. In the same way, here largest number is 41, make a circle for largest number and cross out the smallest number. 1 is the smallest number and cross out this one. So in this way we have to arrange the numbers. Okay. In the next question, one cat picture is given. So in that cat picture he is giving some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So according to the numbers you join the numbers 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Then after joining all the numbers, then you will make a picture, that is cat picture. So that is your home assignment. Okay.